Hey there, it's Marcus from Heel to Automotive again with a little bit of a product feature installation. It's a gorgeous day in the Portland area here. I can't think of a better day to work on the car. So we've got the HTSpecS2K back here. HTSpecS2K is the hashtag on Instagram. We're kind of doing a OEM plus build on this car, and we thought these spoon wide view side mirrors would be a really great complement to that overall build. I've already installed an interior mirror quite some time ago, and it just seemed like it would be cool to complement that with these side mirrors. So these wide view mirrors just stick on to the factory glass on the doors, and they're convex, which gives you a much wider angle of view. Great if you're on a racetrack or on the road, just being able to see in your blind spot and beyond. Plus they've got a blue tint to them, which beyond looking kind of cool is good to reduce glare. So Spoon Sports makes really awesome high quality stuff. It's all Japan made and a very popular product line. These mirrors should be really easy to put on, but of course there's always some tips that we can provide. Heel Toes in your corner, make sure that your little projects go just as smoothly as possible. All right, here's the Spoon Sports wide view mirror set. You can see the part number. If you search that part number on our website, it'll pop right up and you can buy them. We'll put a link in the description to these parts so that you can check them out for yourself. Typically we order these from Japan. They can take a few weeks to come in, but you know, that's really not so bad overall, is it? A few weeks from Japan, that could be a lot worse. First thing you want to do is make sure that you don't have any damage. These are glass. They do have to come kind of a long way to get here, and it's not unheard of that we would receive some of these things with some damage on them. All right, we got that signature Spoon Sports baggie. See the logo right in there? And this is the right side. Notice they don't say driver passenger, because in Japan, driver side is actually the right side. In America, it's the left side. So it's always better to call right and left. And here's the other one. That one looks great too. Logo looks poppin'. Awesome. They also provide some double-sided tape, little 3M. Have another video on how to use this double-sided tape when you're installing a spoiler on the trunk of the car. This is going to be a lot more simple than that. These little pieces is not going to be too hard to deal with. There we go. Ooh, how pretty is that? All right, now I don't really read Japanese, but this looks pretty straightforward. Put the tapes on, stick it on the glass. I guess that's probably all it really is. Now notice they're telling you to put the tapes around the outside, and that's because this mirror, like we said in the intro, is convex. It's got a curvature to it, and this is actually a really low point. So you want to put the tapes on the edges, because those are the points that are actually going to contact the glass when you put this on. Of course, the factory glass is flat. If you put a curved one on there, you want to make sure it's sticking around the edges. And with this much of this VHB tape, it's never going to come off. This is something cool that you can do if you have an Android phone. I don't know if other phones do this, but if you go into your phone, into the camera, hit lens, and then translate, it'll actually translate the characters for you. Yeah. Thank you for purchasing Spoon Blue Wide Door Mirror. When installing, please refer to the following procedure. The product is chamfered, but be sure to wear gloves for safe work. Okay, glass can cut, right? Even though they've angled the edges. Clean dirt and oil from the surface to be attached. So yeah, if you've got an Android phone, you can use that lens feature to translate just through the camera on the phone. Pretty sweet, huh? Easy enough, right? Pull the glass out, and it wants things to be very clean. Now, unfortunately, clean doesn't mean no fingerprints. It means no oils, no nothing. So it's a good idea to use, I use this brake spray, which is arguably not the best thing to use for this kind of thing, but it's definitely going to clean any oil or anything off of this surface. Clean those little areas, especially around the edges, like what we were saying. Okay, so now we're going to take some of this VHB tape, which stands for very high bond. That's what that means. I hope you would never want to take these off, because the 4 pieces of this tape is definitely not going to come off. Cool. All right. Now with the tape applied, you can go to the car, put it where it goes. This brake spray really isn't the ideal, but it's what I've got right now. You probably want to use some kind of alcohol on it. I'm just going to give it a little bit of a test fit. Yeah, it fits just inside the edge. It's going to be a little tricky to get that on there the first try. If it's not perfectly centered, I mean perfectly centered, you'll get a vibration. It'll rattle a little bit. The interior mirror does rattle a little bit on this car. I'm going to put some felt tape behind it to try to dampen that sound. But here we shouldn't really hear anything because it's outside. All right, so I've peeled the backing plates off. I'm going to get in here and really... Oh. The VHB tape activates with pressure. So you want to put some good pressure where that tape is to make sure that it's really bonding to both surfaces. It's a little bit tricky as this thing moves around, as you can see. You won't break anything that way. Don't worry about that. All right. Yeah, she is on. All right, I'm over here on the right side of the car. Gonna install the spoon mirror on this one. I've already got the tape pre-applied. And I was just looking at this thinking that I would address a question you may have. It says objects in the mirror are closer than they appear on the passenger side mirror. You've probably seen this before. I'm wondering if you know why that is. Go ahead. Well, I wasn't 100% sure myself. I Googled it. And basically, in America, the standard is to have a right side mirror that's flat, a left side mirror that's flat, and a right side that's slightly convex, just like these spoon mirrors. The effect of having a convex mirror is a wider angle of view, so it's meant to be as a safety thing, right? That you could see a little bit more on the right side of the car to avoid having somebody in your blind spot. But with a convex mirror, one of the side effects of that is the objects do shrink a little bit. So you will get a little bit of a smaller item here, so it'll look like the item is a little bit farther away. Even though you're seeing more stuff, it's a little bit smaller. And that's why it looks like that, and that's why that warning is there. Of course, we're going to make that even worse with this spoon mirror, but we should be able to see even more because, as I would understand, this mirror is even more convex than the factory one is. Items will be even smaller than they were with the factory mirror. So just be aware of that. Better for an item to be smaller than it appears than not be seen at all. All right, that's in. Can you see more? Now that the mirrors are in, we can adjust them. And there we go. Ooh. Should be able to see me pretty good right there. I can see pretty far behind me. I got just the edge of the body in the mirror. And I can see, yeah, pretty much right next to the car almost. I can almost fully see in the blind spot. I'll have to drive the car and see how much of a difference it makes. I know when Elise gets in it, she'll probably be able to tell me if she can tell a difference or not. Or not. I don't know. What do you think? Worthwhile? TBD. To be determined. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was a little bit entertaining for you. Maybe you learned something with the right side mirror trivia. Something like this is not very expensive. And it's one of those nice little touches that you can put on and be a little bit more JDM and a little bit more functional. Again, it's a really nice OEM Plus upgrade, not replacing the whole mirror, but definitely enhancing them. Spoon Sports, available on the Heel Toe website. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, leave them below. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this on the HTSpecS2K, HTSpecUA9, NSX, PSX, etc. We got a lot of projects in the wings, and hopefully we'll be able to share those with you pretty soon too.